Hi everyone! Today we're going to solve a common ACT-style question. Convert 1,100 kilometers to feet, given that 1 meter equals 3.28 feet. To do this, we'll use a method called dimensional analysis, or what we refer to as a T-chart method. It keeps everything organized and helps you figure out when to multiply or divide. Now we want to go from kilometers to feet. We're given a conversion from meters to feet, so we'll need to go through meters first. Here's the conversion path. Kilometers to meters to feet. Let's fill in the chart step by step. Start with what we're given. 1,100 kilometers. There are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. Let's put that in the chart. Next, we use the given conversion. 1 meter equals 3.28 feet. Now we multiply straight across the top, multiply straight across the bottom, and divide. Let's calculate. 1,100 times 1,000 times 3.28 equals 3,608,000. Bottom is just 1, so we divide. 3,608,000 divided by 1 equals 3,608,000 feet. So the final answer is 1,100 kilometers, which equals 3,608,000 feet. And that's how you convert using a T-chart. Ready to crush the ACT? Achievable includes everything you need to get a top score. With Achievable, you get a personalized AI-driven study plan, short, engaging lessons, and realistic practice questions that adapt to your progress. It's everything you need, streamlined, effective, and adapts to your needs. Tens of thousands of people have trusted Achievable to boost their scores, and now it's your turn. Start your free trial today at achievable.me. Follow the link below in the description to get started.